everyone, welcome to my Math Sci vlog. I'm Kian Dela Cruz, grade 5A, and today I'm going to discuss about the different types of energy, its uses, and its precautionary measures. But before that, let me tell you what is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Like for instance, it takes energy to cook food, drive to school, and many more. Sir Isaac Newton created the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. Energy can take a number of different forms like sound energy, light energy, heat, and electricity. Okay, let's talk about sound energy. It is a type of kinetic energy produced from vibrating objects. It is an energy that can be perceived by the ear. Sound travels the fastest through solid, then liquid, and slowest through gas. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum space, which means empty space. And there are three fundamental characteristics of sounds. These are speed, frequency, and loudness. And the speed of sound is around 1,230 kilometers per hour or 767 miles per hour. And the example of sound is a boy knocking at a door and a boy shouting. And its precautionary measures in protecting oneself from very loud sound are: first, cover your ears when you hear very loud sound. Second, avoid using headphones at full volume to prevent ear damage. Okay, let's proceed to light energy. Light is essential in order for us to see things. Without it, life will not have colors, and it will be very hard for us to see the things around us. Light is a wonderful gift given to us. And there are four properties of light energy. These are reflection, refraction, dispersion, and speed. And like sound, light travels in waves. Nothing travels faster than light energy. It speeds through the vacuum of space at 186,400 miles per second. And here are how to protect oneself from too much sunlight exposure. First, avoid looking directly at the sun or any bright sources. Second, limit your suntan, especially between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Third, avoid watching the television too near to the screen and keep a distance for at least 5 feet away from the television screen. Next is heat energy. It is a form of kinetic energy that is produced by a continuous motion of the molecules of matter. When the molecules of matter move, they produce heat. And heat is measured by calorie. Calorie is a measure of energy in food. And sun is the main source of heat. And people use heat in many ways. They use it to cook food, dry their clothes, and keep their body warm. And I have a question. What happens when a body absorbs heat? When a body absorbs more heat, its temperature increases. And temperature indicates the amount of heat present in matter. It is measured by a thermometer in units called degrees. An ordinary thermometer is either in Celsius or Fahrenheit scale. In Celsius scale, a boiling water has a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit scale, the same boiling water has a temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. But these measurements are equal. 100 degrees Celsius equals to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Fires are dangerous, but we cannot live without fire. The best way to be safe from fire is to be careful when handling it. So, these are some of the safety measures to protect homes and buildings from fire. First, keep matches, lighters, and candles away from children's reach. Second, turn off the LPG tank when not in use. Third, dispose of cigarette butts properly. And fourth, do not leave the kitchen when food is being cooked. And the last is electricity. It is a form of energy that makes our lives easier by enabling devices or appliances to work. However, when not used properly, it could cause electric shock, fire, and even death. So, here are the safety rules and precautions in using electricity. First, never touch an open wire with bare hands. Second, avoid octopus connections. And third, unplug all the electrical appliances when not in use. And wattage or watts is the unit used to measure the amount of electricity required for a device to work. For example, a television requires 45 watts in order for it to work. And saving energy is saving Mother Earth. Thank you for watching and keep safe.